New Chief Minister Pramod Sawant's ruling BJP coalition sailed through the floor test in the Goa Assembly on March 20th, 2019 afternoon, just over a day after he was sworn in. Hello, I am Lakshman Maaheshwary, and today we are going to talk about the terms like confidence motion, trust vote, and floor test. These terms are frequently used interchangeably and mean almost the same thing. But let us first talk about what are these motions. They are used for proving that the executive continues to enjoy the confidence of the legislature, that is, they have the majority on their side and are fit to lead. Prime Minister in Lok Sabha, who is appointed by the President, may be required to do this, whereas Chief Minister in the Vidhan Sabha, appointed by the Governor, may be required to do it at the state level. Simply put, it is display of strength initiated by the government. A related term is no confidence motion. So, what is a no confidence motion? It is a vote to prove that the government is no longer deemed fit to lead due to the fact that it no longer has the majority support. It is usually brought on by the opposition. If the government fails to prove its majority, they have to resign. But then, why is it needed? When a single party secures the majority of the seats in the House, the President or the Governor appoints the leader of the party as the Prime Minister or the Chief Minister. This is a simple case. But what if no single party has the clear majority? Or, in case the majority is questioned, the leader of the party which claims majority has to move a vote of confidence or trust vote or floor test and prove majority among those present and voting. They have to prove that the coalition members stand with the leading party. However, they have to resign if they fail to prove their majority in the House. So, when is it called? Usually, when a new government is set to be formed, for the first time, they have to prove its majority on the floor of the House before taking over. Further, if a government resigns and another party stakes a claim to form the government, they first have to prove their majority. Also, there are times when there are major changes in the House. They may be on accounts of deaths, resignations, suspensions, arrests, or other activities. Also, a major event might have triggered such need, like war or major policy change. So, what happens when this vote is called? And when is it called passed? Well, to save the government, the leading party has to reach the magic number. And this magic number is 50% plus 1 of the members present and voting. Please remember, members present and voting. Some legislators may be absent or may be present but choose not to vote. So, this magic number has no relation to the maximum permissible strength or current strength of the House. In case of a tie, the Speaker of the House can also cast his or her vote. Now, let us talk about the voting itself. How is the voting done? There might be a voice vote where the legislators respond orally, or there can be a division vote in which electronic gadgets may be used, or the members may stand up to indicate their vote, or it could be a ballot vote, which is usually a secret vote. There's a term called Pro-Tem Speaker. The role of Pro-Tem Speaker is very important when a new House is formed. They are needed in a newly elected House which has not had an election for the Speaker of the House. So, if a floor test is to be conducted, the role of Pro-Tem Speaker becomes crucial. Conventionally, the longest serving House member is nominated as Pro-Tem Speaker. The role is limited to administering oath to the new MLAs and conducting the election of the full-time Speaker as soon as possible. Now let me tell you about some notable votes. The first ever no confidence motion was moved during the 3rd Lok Sabha in 1963. Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister and he defended his government. Indira Gandhi is the only Prime Minister to face a total of 15 no trust votes. NDA government under Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee faced two no confidence motions, and one of them was lost by just a single vote on April 17th, 1999. Now let us come to more recent times. CM Kumaraswamy won trust vote in Karnataka Assembly on May 25, 2018. Prime Minister Narendra Modi defeated no confidence motion in Lok Sabha on July 20th, 2018. And the most recent example is of Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, who won trust vote in Goa Assembly on March 20th, 2019. This video was about confidence motion, trust vote, and flow test, etc., and was brought to you by Lakshman Maaheshwary. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.